And guys, we're gonna remove this seat. It's a very simple process. When it comes to these Broncos, it's very easy. All you're gonna need, guys, is a 13mm socket, and I have my swivelable tool, which is not really required, and I have my impact. You can use a ratchet, and I have my flat small screwdriver. This is all the tools we're gonna need for this process. And the front one, guys, is 2 bolts in the front, 2 in the back. The back ones are exposed. For this one, guys, what we're gonna be doing here, you're gonna see I'm gonna be prying this plastic in this area over here, so we can remove this one. So it only has this tab over here and another one too over here. So this is the ideal side to remove it. Don't do it in this one that has the group, meaning we want to do it through this side, because it's only one tab. It's easy. If we do it on the other part, which by the way is uncomfortable, you might risk to break something. So this is the other side, and as you see, it's all it took. It popped, and then we get to the bolts. You don't need this swivelable tool, guys, but it helps. It helps a lot. Now, the next thing to do, guys, is gonna be to lean the seat so we can get the headrest off. Let me position this more or less in a way that it makes sense. And we're gonna get the headrest off. Just like that, guys. Now we proceed, the lever is down here, to move it forward so we can expose the rear bolts. And these are here, really easy access for those bolts. And we just get them out. And those are 13s, guys. Now the next step is to lean the seat in a way that we can access the plug underneath. We're gonna put the track back in place, just like this, and you're gonna center it, guys. You don't want the frame to stick out too much in the back or in the front. And we're gonna lean it like this. And right here, guys, this is our plug for the electronics, this one right here. So we're gonna remove this red tab, which is the lock for the clip, and then we just gonna squish it. It doesn't allow me, so let me be sure that I'm in the right position, and that's it. So basically, guys, we need to push this section right here so we can release the clip. It's right there, and this is the lock. It doesn't go in unless you put it back in there. So this is our plug, guys, and that's the removal. The next thing is just to get it off the car. I'm gonna put my camera so you can see how I do it. This is very simple. That's the way I do it, just so you don't scratch anything. That's the safe way. There is many other ways, and that's my way. And that was, guys, the removal of the seats. It's only the two front because we are doing the heaters. We're gonna be running our cables parallel to the factory, and it's gonna be hardwired into the Bronco. So it works basically like factory. Okay guys, I'll continue in the next chapter. Thank you. If you have questions, please put it in the comments.